Hey, so guys, I want to show you my off-the-grid setup. I've got quite a few acres, not going to say how much. I'm a mile off the road. This is my backyard. My deck. The cabin. I've got some rainwater collection here for this barrel. And I had a well put in not too long ago. Solar well, insulated box, won't freeze. Generator hookup for backup to my solar system. This box here contains all of my solar components, batteries, inverters, chargers, the whole deal. Generator, extra generator, chained to the pillar. Front yard. Now this little solar panel right here charges a battery that runs the fan on my composting toilet. I have rainwater collection up here, which I don't use now. I used to use it for my shower, but I've now hooked my shower up to the well, which is solar powered. But here is my shower house. Take a look in here. There's my shower. I have a on-demand hot water heater hooked up to propane, which also heats the water for the inside of my cabin. I used to run it on this C-Flow DC powered off of that same battery and solar panel. Used to run my shower, but now I have pressurized water with the solar well. Gas storage underneath my deck from the other side. This is my dock and my riprap bank that I put in. Put that dock in with hot tub, jet pump, improvised jet pump, washed the post in, and I use that dock to access my little creek here. So let's go inside. Alexander's. So when you come inside, this is my living room area. I have an old 1800s hutch here, very rustic, that we use for storage. Small refrigerator. Sink with pressurized hot and cold running water. A gas stove that runs just on gas, no electric required. This is my wood stove, which more than sufficiently heats this 572 square feet, including the loft. Pipe goes on up, out the door, and there's my chimney. Wood storage area. Sofa that doubles as a futon. Homemade table, which we pull away from the wall when we need to. We have a wind-up clock. This is my end wall on one side with the old saw. The wood in this house was pulled out of a house that was on the property, built in 1820, and I repurposed the wood, the window frames, the door frames, all cedar that I used to on the inside walls of the house. There is coat hooks. There's my beautiful wife. Say hello, honey.
Scullery maid.
Scullery maid wife. Great wife. Little shelf area Looking up, there's the loft. All made out of, handrails made out of 2x4s from the old house. There's a little ladder. We'll take a quick look. Upstairs is a queen size bed, a pull-light homemade bed made out of cedar tree logs on the bottom with just a plywood base, and a little storage area with a extra lamp light. And we have these curtains here that you can pull shut for privacy. Now, the bathroom, I made these doors for the 2 rooms in the house. Just made them from scratch. Beautiful. The bathroom has a tile base wall. Looks like wood. Storage area. And there's the composting toilet, which has collection, and you just kind of put some compost in there and you turn it when you're using it, and it's vented outside with a power vent, toilet paper holder. And then the last room in the house is the master bedroom. Again, built a nice door for the master bedroom. Master bedroom actually has a king size bed, shelf, storage, and then the closet, we just use a curtain, and we use this closet mostly for storage, cords and different things that we use down here, extra linens and whatnot. So that's the inside. Here's just a view of the one center wall going up to the loft area. So this is my solar setup. We had a well put in, and we connected the well to a battery backup solar system. It's a solar well. The batteries are in this box here. There's my charge controller, pump controller, and these 2 panels here, these 2 100 amp panels power the well, the water well. And on the other side I have 2 330 amp panels, or watt panels, so 660 watts of panel there, which more than adequately charges my 4 6-volt batteries for evening, but during the day I use it for lights and fans and things like that. It won't run, obviously won't run an air conditioner unit or a heating coil. I don't need a heating coil, obviously, because I have a wood stove. AC is one thing that I haven't acquired yet down here, but I do have fans. And then this back side of this, there's my control box. And this racking system that I built has 3 settings: winter, spring, fall, summer. So I can pull this out on both sides and get the proper tilt for the time of year. Right now we're in the center section, the spring fall section, because it is March, so I can get the optimal amount of power out of it. This is my front yard. Not a house in sight. Drove in here this morning and there were 6 deer in the field like usual, and all the turkey that we normally see. This is the old house that was on the property. It's pretty much fallen down now. I scavenged most everything off of it that was good. All the cedar components, cedar door frames, cedar window frames, cedar siding that I could get off of it, and it's going to get pushed into a pile and burnt here at some time in the future. This house was built in 1818 by my 5 times removed great uncle. So there's my layout. There's my cabin in the woods. my off-grid setup. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.